Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So for today's video, I am going to do a Europe haul. Hauls are one of my favorite videos to film because I just love shopping and I just love sharing that shopping with you all. But I still managed to buy some things from Primark because I think the most excited for Primark. And then I also did a lot of makeup and skincare shopping because I was literally out of all of my skincare. That you're gonna see in the next video because I've split it into two parts. So yes, today's video is going to be a clothing haul and all the random stuff that I bought, and then next video is going to be my skincare and my makeup haul, which is so exciting. So yes, without further ado, let's just start. And I'm not gonna do a try on haul this time because one, I'm very sick. I just came back yesterday and I'm still very nasal. So because most of these clothes I worn, I did wear them in Europe itself, so you're gonna see it in vlogs and in a lot of other pictures on Instagram. So quick promotion, follow me on Instagram if you want to see how these clothes look. I've probably uploaded a picture of this already. That was a lot of blabbering. I'm gonna start now. So I just went to Primark to shop, and it's crazy. It's so cheap. It's like Sarojini Nagar of Europe. The quality is not the best quality, but if you really try to hunt down pieces, you can actually find some great things at very cheap prices. So I'm gonna start now. So this is something that I picked very last moment, but I love it so much. So this is like a jacket which I got from Primark. This one was for 15 euros. I mean, it's crazy. Only 15 euros, and it's very warm. Like, I first thought it's not going to be warm, but I did wear it in Italy, like when we went to Lake Como, and it's like very windy and very cold. But this one was very nice. It's very heavy jacket, and it's made up of like this suede material. I think it's called suede or velvet, I don't know. And it has like this silver buttons on it, and it has fur. I love fur. It's so cute, and this is how it looks like. It's not a very long jacket, it's just like a normal denim jacket, and it has fur on the sleeves as well. And I love this color. This is probably one of my favorite colors for winters. The next thing that I got from Primark is this white cream colored high neck shirt. It's a t-shirt. It's not at all warm actually, but this is how it looks like. So I got it because I think this is such a staple piece. It looks good with a lot of things. You can wear it with a coat, with a jacket, with a denim jacket. I think this is something like very basic. So I bought this, and this one was for 6 euros. Like, are you crazy? So yeah, only 6 euros. Not the best quality, but still it's a good thing, and it's not very warm, so it's good. Like, I can wear it in summers or probably in springtime easily because it's not warm. So I got this. Next up, I got this shirt. I love flannel shirts. They are like my favorite things to dress up. And this is how it looks like, and it's like not very good material, but I just paid 3 euros for this. Can you believe it? It was originally for, I think, 10 euros, and I paid 3 euros, and this is how it looks like. It's so cute, and it's not long, and the best thing is that it's very covering. So I don't know if you would relate to me, but whenever I wear shirts, like, this area opens up, and it's very embarrassing for me. So for girls like me, you always look up for things which cover this gap, and this shirt covered it perfectly. It was very comfortable for me, so that's one of the main reasons why I picked it up. Next up, I bought this sweatshirt. It says Je t'aime. It's French. I don't know what it means, but I know it's French, and it's like a huge baggy sweatshirt, and it's grey in color, and it's very big. It's like boyfriend sweatshirt, and I bought it because I wanted to buy this, and it was very cheap. It was $5. So I thought, even if I wear it like twice or thrice to college, and then I can just wear it at home, and it's very nice, very comfy. It's nice, it's very cozy and comfy, and it's something that you can just wear on Sundays when you're working or something. So yeah, I got this. Next, I got this pajama, and this is how it looks like. This one was for 6 euros, I think. Yeah, this one was for 6 euros, and it's a very nice pajama. It's like not tight. It's very loose fitted, but it looks very cute, and it's something that I can easily wear for grocery shopping or something like that. So yeah, and I didn't have a lot of pajamas at home for winters, so that's why I bought it, and it's in the size small. So if you live in Europe, or if you have a Primark access, buy this. This is very nice for €6. It's totally worth the money. And the last thing that I bought, actually the second last thing that I bought, is one of my favorite things from the whole haul, and you're gonna see it in a lot of pictures because I think I wore it in Belgium and I also wore it in Italy. So this is how it looks like. It's like a very nice coat. It's very long. It's like those very fashionable coats that I see people wearing. It's like the Zara looking coats, but obviously Zara coats and other coats are very expensive. They're like $150. So I just paid $20 for this. It's not very warm, but it's like an outerwear, so you can obviously layer up a lot of clothes inside and then you can wear it. It looks chic, it looks very cute, and I love it. This was like one of my favorite purchases from Primark, and I was shocked. It's only for €20. Wow. And then I got this pajama set to wear at home in bed. So yeah, I'm quickly gonna show you this thing. So it's like this spaghetti top, and it comes with these shorts, and it's actually for summers. The material is very soft. It's like super soft, and I think it's something that's going to be so comfortable to wear in the bed. And it has like this lacy thing going on, and the print is like flowery print. I don't like the print in general, but I wanted to buy something for such a long time. So yeah, I got it, and it was for €5. Like both the things were just for €5. So I think very cheap. Like I was so shocked at Primark, and I know the quality is not good, but still, for someone like me who shops from streets and all, I really like the quantity of things I can buy for €100 instead of buying like one thing for €100. So yeah, those were all the clothes that I bought. I also bought 2 accessories. I bought these hoops for €1.5, and it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoops, because I wear hoops a lot. I don't wear like earrings in general because they don't suit my face well. So yeah, and I gave like the smaller ones to my sister because I generally wear bigger hoops. And I also got this one. I cannot find the second one. So yeah, this one was for €3. I bought 2. One I gave to my sister, and the rose gold one I kept for myself, and I gave the silver one to her. So yeah, and then I'm quickly going to show you guys some chocolates that I bought in this haul as well, because just like that. So I bought like this Milka chocolate, which is famous from Germany, I think. I saw it in other countries as well, but I think it's made in Germany. And then I got this mini Ritter Sports chocolate, and then this is Ja. It says Ja, but it's pronounced as Ya chocolate. So I got like a lot of these for my friends and also for myself. This is in the hazelnut. I love hazelnut flavor. It's one of my favorite of all times. And then these are like the Milka minis, and I don't know why I'm showing this to you guys, just like that. So yeah, and then I got these Mercy chocolates for my friends, and these are like the finest chocolates that I could find, and it's really nice. And this one I got for myself. This is Royal Mints. I love mint chocolate, so I got it, and I've heard like it's very one of the specialities of Germany, so that's why I picked it up. And I also bought some magnets for all the countries that I visited. I don't have them with me right now. I think I've kept it in one of my bags. So I have started this thing where whichever place I visit, I buy fridge magnets for that place, and once I have my house, or once I move into a new house, I'm gonna like decorate my fridge with all the places that I have visited. I think it's very cool to do, and you see and you realize how much you have traveled, how much you have explored the world. So I bought these shoes from TK Maxx. So like in America you have TJ Maxx, and in Europe you have TK Maxx. I visited there when I was in England last year, and this time also I visited. I really like TK Maxx actually. It has really nice skincare, the clothes are good. I didn't check out a lot of clothes there, but I definitely checked out some shoes, and I have to say this, I love their shoe collection. Like I never like shoes in America or in India, but in Europe or specifically in Germany, I really like the shoes there. So this is the pair of shoes that I picked up, and this is how they look like. They are from Steve Madden actually, and this one is like very dirty right now because I wore it in Belgium and it started to rain, and I was panicking because my shoes were getting dirty because of the rain, but you know, I managed to clean it. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and it has a little bit of heel, but still they are very comfortable if you compare it with other shoes or other boots that I've tried. And I think they're gonna look so cute with jeans, or you know, with very nice dresses and skirts and everything. So yeah, I got these. I got it for 25 euros, which is very 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 cheap for Steve Madden shoes, because they're like always around 80, 90, $100. So yeah, I paid 25 euros for these and I love it. And from Primark I also got this socks set, and it has like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it has like 7 socks, and they're like ankle length socks for 3.5 euros, which was a steal. And it's like very basic socks. The second last thing that I want to show you guys are these little treats that I got from Belgium. It smells kind of funny now, but these are like made with flour, so these are like atta ke stuff, but it's so cute and it's like homemade, and I bought all of these for my friends. So yeah, last but not the least, I bought a bullet journal. So this is called C'est la vie. When I went to Germany, I was searching for a nice bullet journal for the longest time. I spent so much time looking around at bookstores, and Germany has like huge bookstores because people love to read books, but most of the books were in German, so I couldn't really buy any book for myself. But I bought this and I'm so happy I did, and I'm so excited to finally start using it as my 2019 bullet journal. So this was all of my clothing haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so sorry it's not a try on, but you're gonna see all the pictures on Instagram. Yes, this was all about it. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. And also vlogs are coming very soon. I still have to edit it, but I'm so excited to show you all the vlogs and all the things that I did in Europe. And yes, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.